Hey, what's up, guys? Just got some parts in from Proto Labs. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but it's a rapid prototyping, rapid machining service, and you can get parts, 1 day, 3 days. They'll make anything from one parts to, maybe 1,000. So I just got this in. Pretty excited. It's gonna hopefully look something like this. 3D printed prototype. All right. Definitely packaged pretty well. All right. So this is made out of 7075 T651, something like that. And they give you the option for free to have it sandblasted or media blasted. I just went with the tool marks visible. Hopefully you can see this. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's a lot smoother than it looks. And thankfully this surface here, this interior surface, is very, very smooth, which is where the gasket's going to be going for this part. It's very nice. It's actually way better than I expected. This radius is super smooth. Some crazy tool marks there, really small paths. Let's see if one of these bolts will fit. Nice. So that is supposed to be flush, and it is. Dead on. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Alright, let's open up the bigger one. See what's going on with that. Got shit flying all over the place out here. Damn, that is pretty fucking nice. This is a 6061 T651. That is fucking awesome, actually. Jeez. Oh, that's awesome. It's super smooth right here. And that's where the gasket's going to be going. Yeah, that's really nice. I don't know what class finish that is, but it's beautiful. Wow, this is way better than I expected. Do have some decent little tool marks here. Nothing your fingernail will catch. Hopefully you guys can see that. Wow, this is really impressive for what I paid for this. So what I got quoted on here, I got another quote somewhere else, and it was about 600 bucks for one of these. You know, basically the price at that place that overquoted, they quoted me basically the same price if I bought like 6 of these. They could each be produced for that price that I got this one made for. So, wow, yeah. That is awesome. Hopefully you can see all that. Yeah, the design changed a little bit too, so they're not going to be exactly the same. A little bit of scratches here. Nothing serious, you know. If I was going to have this anodized, maybe I'd clean it up a little bit with Scotch-Brite, but probably not. Let's see how it bolts together. See if it all lines up. This is so much better than I thought it was going to come out. Unbelievable. Wow. Very, very nice. I mean, I'm impressed. I'd definitely recommend this company, Proto Labs. There we go. Alright, that's it.